Tony Hoare called null references his billion-dollar mistake. TypeScript has a compiler option that helps you avoid it. What does strictNullChecks do? By default, TypeScript allows null and undefined to be assigned to any type. You can set a string variable to null, an object to undefined, without any errors. This mirrors JavaScript's behavior, but can lead to runtime crashes when you try to access properties on null values. When you enable strictNullChecks, everything changes. Null and undefined become their own distinct types. They're no longer assignable to other types unless you explicitly include them. A string variable can't be null anymore. If you want to allow null, you must declare the type as string or null using a union type. This means you must explicitly check for null or undefined before accessing properties. TypeScript's type narrowing kicks in. If you write an if statement checking whether a value is not null, TypeScript understands that inside the if block, the value is safe to use. Without the check, the compiler throws an error. This forces defensive programming. strictNullChecks is part of TypeScript's strict family of compiler options. Enabling it catches potential runtime errors at compile time. You'll catch null pointer exceptions before your code ever runs in production. It makes your code more robust and prevents an entire class of bugs that plague JavaScript applications. In short, strictNullChecks makes null and undefined their own types, forcing you to handle them explicitly and preventing runtime crashes. Practice explaining this with confidence, and you'll ace this interview question. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.